This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Marianne Navarro. Why wait for new construction when you can own a beautifully upgraded, move-in ready home that feels brand new, without the wait? Built in 2024 by Dining Room Horton, this immaculate ARIA floor plan blends modern comfort with thoughtful upgrades in the highly desirable Westgate at Avalon Park. With over $30,000 in premium enhancements, this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage home stands out as a rare opportunity in one of Wesley Chapel's most dynamic and fast-growing communities. From the moment you step inside, the home welcomes you with its open concept layout, flooded with natural light, neutral paint tones, and an effortless sense of flow. The kitchen, designed to impress, features newly painted cabinetry, granite counters, a sleek ONE-BASIN stainless steel sink, custom faucets, and a large island ideal for entertaining. Ample pantry shelving and custom laundry room closets give smart, stylish storage solutions. The primary suite serves as a peaceful retreat, complete with a large walk-in closet and a spa-inspired ensuite bath featuring dual sinks, upgraded fixtures, and refined finishes. 2 additional bedrooms share a full bath with a dual vanity and tub/shower combo, perfect for guests or family. Step outside to the brand new covered/enclosed LANAI, offering a shaded escape or space to host year-round. The fully fenced backyard provides privacy and flexibility, ideal for pets, play, or your own future outdoor oasis. Practical upgrades abound, including garage ceiling storage racks, a whole home security system, custom faucets and sinks, and a patio that adds charm and functionality to the outdoor space. But what truly sets this home apart is its location in Avalon Park, one of the most ambitious and exciting master-planned communities in the Tampa Bay area. Designed around the concept of live, learn, work, and play, Avalon Park is not just a neighborhood, it's a lifestyle. Already thriving with residential growth and community amenities, Avalon Park is in the midst of a massive transformation. The upcoming downtown will feature over 400,000 square feet of retail, dining, office, and commercial space, along with a 2-acre community park, amphitheater, and cultural center. Once complete, residents will enjoy walkable access to boutique shopping, restaurants, co-working spaces, health and wellness services, live music, food truck nights, and seasonal festivals, all just minutes from their doorstep. Beyond the coming attractions, the community already offers resort-style amenities including 3 sparkling pools, splash pads, basketball courts, playgrounds, dog parks and miles of scenic walking trails. With low HOA and CDD fees, it's one of the most well-rounded and family-friendly communities in Wesley Chapel. Just minutes from top-rated schools, SR 5456, I-75, and I-275, Avalon Park offers an easy commute.